next candidate is Mr. Charles Hinton. Would you please stay in front of the microphone, and you have 1 minute for your introduction, please.
All right, thank you. First of all, I thank the Alliance and the Chamber for having us here tonight. Mostly, thank you for being here tonight to hear the candidates. I'm Charles Lee Hinton. My family moved here in 1959. I graduated from Central, and I've been married 44 years. I have 2 sons that live in Central, and their wives, 3 grandchildren. My mother and father lived in Central until their death. I'm a graduate of LSU. I was a school teacher for 25 years and a coach. Also coached Little League Baseball and also coached in Special Olympics. I joined the service in '63, served to '66. I was selected outstanding recruit in basic training in '63. 1978, I went back in the military with the United States Navy Construction Battalion 28. I had 20 years military service.
That will conclude your introductory statement. Thank you very much. You'll have 2 questions. Your first question will have 2 minutes to answer. Are you in favor of single-member districts and term limits? Why or why not?
Well, when some friends of mine come and ask me to run for city council, I said the first thing that I would base my platform on would be single-member districts. And I believe that the people of Central would be served a whole lot better and more equitably if we went to single-member districts. Now, if you've got 1 council member per district, and that councilman is more aware of what's going on in his district than, say, 4 other people. So the problems that arrive in a council district can be addressed by that councilman, can be brought to the council, can be debated by the council, and be handled in that fashion, as opposed to 5 people trying to run around trying to cover the entire area of Central. Term limits is something else that I stated from the very beginning, that I was for term limits. People said, well, what length of time do you think a person should serve? I said, well, 2 terms is good for myself. And I said, if people think 3 terms is better, then we can live with 3. So I'm totally, believe totally in term limits. I think that 8 years, 12 years at maximum, get new faces, new people, fresh ideas, find somebody that thinks the same way that you do, get behind them, support them, and help them serve on the council.
All right, and your second question. Since you currently contract for city services, as a councilperson, what would you do to assure that the citizens are getting the best services for their investments?
Well, we can start with the budget, since it's got a line item on the budget for 2010, and we go to an itemized budget because, as it's stated with the budget, which is approximately $5 million, but it doesn't explain exactly where the monies are being spent. I would like to see an itemized budget explaining where every bit of the money is being spent, who we are spending money with, how much money we're spending with them. I've spoken to 3 contractors that live in Central that say that they would like to be involved in being able to bid on the services for Central. So personally, I think that we have enough people experienced in the construction business